having skills. We are not standing, we are not speaking, and we are not raising our voice. अरे आज का युवा कैसा हो जो खुद नौकरी के तलाश में न भागते हुए खुद एक ऐसा व्यवसाय बनाए जहाँ 1000 लोगों को रोजगार देके इस बेरोजगारी को खत्म कर दे. The new education policy is building holistic development and character building. If I want to take my nation very proud on a top level, then I need the values like resilience, empathy, and this new education policy is building this from a childhood one. G20 discussion was about the 21st century skills. We need 3 C's, that is creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. These are the things which will make my India proud. My dear friends, today we are on the 3rd position in terms of economy. But by coming 2047, when we will be completing 100th year of independence, we will be on the 1st position after China and USA. And how this is possible? According to our new education policy, we are creating internship programs. Internship programs are given from grade 6, which are helping students to think critically, rational thinking. If you want to make my India as a technology-driven global economy, then definitely our critical thinking, our collaboration, this thinking are going to take our India on a prosperous state. I am standing today, I am from the BSc 3rd year, and we are having this GOAC. My opponent friend said that how this creativity, critical thinking and multiple subjects will take me ahead. In the first year, we were having the course GOAC in this national education policy, where we develop our personality. We come on the stage and we speak. And due to that confidence, today I am here, I am standing very good, truthfully. It also states that if my counterfeit also stated that variety of subject will cause us concentration. My dear friends, if I am a science student and I like a political science subject, I can read it. And if I have interest, I have keen interest in mandala art, then I can also start my business in that. This states that the overall development of our economy is starting from today, and our national education policy will definitely bring change in coming years. In 2047, when we will be completing 100th year of independence, students can have a flexibility of subjects. A political science student can learn art subject, and here we can have a broad aspect because our new education policy also has that inclusion. They have that all the rural area students can get equal opportunity. You have seen in the time of pandemic, in corona situation, every student we get the result of NEET and JEE through online coaching. It states that everything which is doing our government is positively. And as it is said that change is the essence of life, implementation takes time. Only 2 years has been grown, and I have been, in the 2 years I have been a BSc part student, and I have seen my changes within us. Then definitely it will take time in 3 to 4 years. But my dear friends, this will definitely give us a very prosperous and successful nation, and we will stand in front globally. At last I would like to here say that अपने अंदर की प्रतिभा से शिखर पर हम जाएंगे, शिक्षा, देशभक्ति और कर्मठता को आचरण में लाएंगे, जात पात के भेदभाव को सदैव के लिए भूल जाएंगे, अपने अंदर से खुटियों से इस पावन धरती को चमकाएंगे. जब अपने लिए नहीं दोस्तों इस देश के लिए सोचेंगे हम, जब अपने लिए नहीं इस देश के लिए सोचेंगे हम, तब निश्चित एक विकसित राष्ट्र, एक विकसित भारत हम बनाएंगे. Thank you very much for listening me.